It's impossible to stay poor if you do this every day. Let me tell you something most people never realize until it's too late. Staying poor is not about money. It's about what you do in the first few hours of your day. And here's the crazy part. Two people can start with the same background, the same education, even the same opportunities. Yet 10 years later, one is financially free, while the other is still struggling to pay bills. Why? Because of one daily system. And today, I'm going to break down the exact step-by-step system. If you follow this every single day, staying poor becomes almost impossible. But before we start, understand something important. This is not motivation. This is a structure that forces success. And step number 3 is where most people fail. Step number 1, win the first hour of your day. Almost every poor habit begins the same way. You wake up, you check your phone, you scroll, you waste 30 minutes without even realizing it. Now, here's the problem. When your day starts with consumption, your brain becomes passive. But wealthy people do the opposite. They create before they consume. And this small difference compounds for years. So here's the rule. For the first 60 minutes after waking up, no social media, no random scrolling, no distractions. Instead, do 3 things. Move your body, feed your mind, plan your attack, even 10 minutes of exercise, 10 minutes of reading, 10 minutes planning your day. That alone already puts you ahead of most people. But here's the twist. This step alone won't make you rich. The next step is where real change begins. Step number 2, work on skills that pay. Most people work every day, but they work on things that don't increase their value. They trade time for money, and that's the trap. Because time is limited, but skills can multiply your income. Think about it. A person with no high-income skill might earn $10 an hour, but someone with skills like copywriting, marketing, coding, sales video, editing can earn 10 times more for the same hour. So every single day you must spend at least 90 minutes learning or improving a skill that pays. Not entertainment learning, real learning. Practice, build, fail, improve. And here's something most people don't realize. After about 1,000 hours of focused practice, your skill can completely change your financial life. But there's another rule most people ignore. And this is the difference between people who learn and people who actually get rich. Step number 3, turn knowledge into output. Here's a harsh truth. Learning alone does not make money. Execution does. You can watch 500 videos about business. But until you produce something, nothing changes. So every day you must create output. If you're learning copywriting, write copy. If you're learning YouTube, make videos. If you're learning coding, build projects. This is where momentum begins, because once you start producing, something powerful happens. Your confidence grows, your skills sharpen, opportunities start appearing. But there's still one problem. Most people quit right here, not because they fail, but because they don't see results fast enough. And that's where step 4 becomes critical. Step number 4, stack small wins. People think success happens in one big moment. It doesn't. It happens through small daily victories. Let's say you improve just 1% every day. After 1 year, you're not 365% better. You're almost 38 times better. That's the power of compounding. But this only works if you stay consistent. And consistency requires something most people don't have, a system. So every night, ask yourself 3 questions. What did I learn today? What did I build today? How can I improve tomorrow? These 3 questions force growth. But there's one final step, and this step is the one that separates the wealthy from everyone else. Step 5, protect your environment. Your environment shapes your future more than motivation ever will. If you spend time around people who complain, you will complain. If you spend time around people who chase growth, you will grow. That's why successful people are extremely careful about 3 things: who they spend time with, what content they consume, what habits they tolerate. This is why some people stay stuck for decades. They never change their environment. But once you do, your entire trajectory shifts. So, let's recap the daily system. Win the first hour of your day. Work on skills that pay. Turn knowledge into output. Stack small wins. Protect your environment. If you follow this system every single day, something incredible happens. Your mindset changes, your skills grow, your opportunities multiply, and eventually, staying poor becomes mathematically unlikely. Not because of luck, but because your daily actions make success inevitable. So, the real question is not whether this works. The real question is, will you actually do it tomorrow? Subscribe for more videos.